Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your Instagram story just doesn't allow you to add music to that specific story. So if I go and make a story just like this, and if I go ahead and essentially let's say I just make some random video or whatever, you will be able to go ahead and click up here for the stickers, and you'll be able to add a music by using this little music sticker right here. Now there may be a situation where when you click on it, there's just no music that comes out. Maybe you're not able to add the music. Now, the main way that I've seen this being effective for a majority of people out there is essentially if you have a creator account rather than a specific, personal account. And this happens even on TikTok, and it's a very annoying thing, but essentially it just protects Instagram from using copyrighted music for creator videos. So in order to go ahead and fix this, we need to switch from a creator account to a personal account. So in order to do this, you want to make your way over to your personal Instagram page. So you want to come to a page like this is my fake account, but whatever. All you need to do is go and click on the three lines up here. You want to go ahead and switch then. By clicking on the lines, you want to go click settings. And when you come here, you'll essentially see a couple of different things, but you'll see right here that says account. You want to go ahead and click account. Now at the very bottom, you'll see a couple of different options. Now you can see it tells me to switch to professional account and switch to professional or add new professional account. Now I'm already on a personal account, but for your specific account, you may see something that says switch to personal account. Now if you're in that specific situation, you want to click that button. That'll basically make it so you can go ahead and essentially switch to a personal account, and then you can go ahead and use those specific type of music on your stories. Now let's say you do that and you're perfectly fine, well then you're set. But let's say you do that and that doesn't work and it's still not working. Well, what you're going to have to do now is update your specific Instagram app, and this is a very easy thing to do. All you want to do is make your way over to your app store just like so. You want to click on the search bar, you want to click up here. You want to literally just type in Instagram just like so. Click up search, and you want to go ahead and find Instagram and update your specific Instagram app. Now you can see I'm on the most recent version of Instagram, so I'm essentially set. I don't really have anything to update to, so theoretically it should work for me. If it doesn't work, then Instagram may be having issues right now. But if it does work and you do update your device, then you just want to make your way back over to Instagram and you want to try making a story once more. You may be able to successfully make the story, and then that's it. And then you want to click up stickers right here, and you want to try to add the music once more and then add a song and see what happens. Probably, I'll be honest, this should work. If this still doesn't work, I would recommend updating your phone. Most of the time, that's not going to affect anything. I would honestly also recommend you to be on a strong network connection. If you are on a strong network connection and still nothing's working, it may be best to go ahead and wait until Instagram fixes the issue on their side, because that may mean that there's an issue on their side that they have to go ahead and fix their specific device. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.